the sky, the flow, the life, the drinks, the clicks, those fucking bricks, the make out by the pool last night.